Samsung One UI 9 official update is here. Yes, you heard that right. You can now download the very first One UI 9 firmware for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The first Galaxy Z Fold 7 One UI 9 firmware has now been leaked online, giving us an extremely early look at Samsung's next major software upgrade. A very early internal build of One UI 9 based on Android 17 has surfaced for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This clearly shows that Samsung has already started working on the next generation of One UI much earlier than expected. At the moment, it is still unclear what kind of new features or changes are included in this firmware build. Since this is an extremely early development version, we shouldn't expect many big additions or visible upgrades right now. However, for those who are curious or willing to experiment, there is a download link available below where the firmware can be accessed. But before you even think about installing it, there is a very important disclaimer you need to know. This firmware is an early internal build of One UI 9, and it is not an official public release from Samsung. The build has only surfaced online for informational purposes, and it is not recommended for normal users to install it on their devices. Since this appears to be the very first internal compilation of One UI 9 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the software may contain serious bugs, unfinished features, system instability, and potential performance problems. Anyone who decides to install this firmware will be doing so entirely at their own risk. If you later decide to downgrade back to One UI 8, you will need to manually flash the complete firmware using Samsung's Odin tool on a Windows PC. Keep in mind that this process will perform a full factory reset, meaning all data on the device will be completely erased. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 also supports seamless A/B updates, which means the device may be able to fall back to the previously installed One UI 8 build if something goes wrong during installation. However, this is not guaranteed, and it should never be considered a reliable recovery option. Another very important thing to note is that this firmware is only meant for carrier-locked US Galaxy Z Fold 7 units with model number SMF966U. It will not work on unlocked US variants with model number SMF966U1, and it is also not compatible with Galaxy Z Fold 7 devices sold in other regions. Attempting to install it on an unsupported device may lead to installation failure, software corruption, or even serious device malfunction. That's it for today. What are your thoughts about this early One UI 9 firmware leak? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.